Okay, guys, hopefully now we understand the point of this story. Walter likes to daydream. So when he's pretending to be a Navy commander or he's pretending to be a brilliant surgeon, those are daydreams that are not real. So why do you think Walter likes to imagine himself as a brave Navy commander or a brilliant surgeon? Use RACE format to respond. Remember, RACE stands for restate, answer, cite, explain. So first we restate the question. Walter likes to imagine himself as a brave Navy commander or a brilliant surgeon because, and I've started this answer for you, but I haven't finished. He doesn't what? So I blacked out, but you should have an answer right here that answers this. Then we have to prove it with text evidence. So I introduced my text evidence and then I cited it. The story begins with Walter imagining himself as a Navy commander who's bravely flying his hydroplane through a hurricane. But his daydream is interrupted by his wife berating him for driving too fast. In the text, and I'm proving what I just said, that his wife berated him for driving too fast. And this is really important. Now, this shows that what? What does his wife interrupting him from daydreaming because he's driving too fast, what does that show? How does that help us answer the question? Why does he have these daydreams in the first place? So your answer should look something like this. And now hopefully you're understanding how the story is about characterization and contrast.